Hello, I am so excited for the opportunity today to talk to you about my senior project. So for my senior project, I created a brand that is very near and dear to my heart. Personally, for as long as I can remember, I have struggled with iron deficiency anemia. What that is a lack of iron and oxygen in my blood, which has caused a ton of different symptoms, and it took a whole year away from me. But because of my personal experiences, I wanted to create a community of women educating and learning as we are going through different things in our lives. Specifically, though, I created the brand Femheal to educate and build a community of people to learn about iron health. So here in front of you is my Instagram. I started this up in January. And I have created quite the community. I've seen amazing things happening with my followers and people that I interact with, and I'm able to talk about what I've done. So just kind of walk you through my Instagram. So currently we have 67 followers, which is so exciting. And I post things, statistics. Here's a post that I created about different symptoms. So these are the most common symptoms, and then I talk about what I've been through. And I found that if I am personable and talk about my own struggles, that people are more willing to open up with me. So here are some of the posts that I've created. I've done a little introduction post, and this is actually the biggest post that gained the most traction. But we'll hop on over to my website. So here is femheal.net. I was able to get that domain, and I'm very, very grateful for it. So here's just the landing page. You come down here and you can actually click this button and it will redirect you to where we just were. I created an About Me section where I talk about my personal struggles as well as just things that make me me. So there's that, and then I have a contact page that has our logo, and then you can send me a message. So over here is the blog. Here is the most recent post, and this is my personal testimonial and my dealings with my iron deficiency. But I'm so excited for this brand, and I have a lot of future goals, such as like an at-home screening system where you prick your finger, send it, and get lab results, and then take those to your doctor, as well as I would love to outsource supplements. So I have a lot of goals for the future for this brand, and I can't wait to see where we can take it. So thank you for listening and for going with me through all that I've done.